My name is Ashish Saha, and this is the OWASP API Vulnerability Advisor, my submission for the AI Accelerate Hackathon 2025. In today's fast-paced development, API security is paramount, yet developers often struggle with complex vulnerability remediation. This project addresses that challenge head-on, delivering real-time AI-driven security advice right into the SDLC. Now, if you can see in the diagram on the screen, this is how it works together. The foundation of this solution is robust data integration. Using the Fivetran Custom Connector SDK, I built a connector to pull comprehensive API vulnerability data from the National Vulnerability Database, NVD. And then this data is pushed into BigQuery. The OWASP API Vulnerability Advisor Streamlit application then calls this BigQuery dataset, gets back all the CVEs that match the criteria, then provides the RAG context to the Vertex AI, which then, with a tailored prompt, gives back a very structured recommendation. And this is all very much configurable, and yet it's very, very guardrail and structured. We will just see how it looks into the EU application, and here we select critical for the last 5 days, and then we click on the remediations. It's querying the BigQuery, it's gone back the CVEs, and now it is got the AI recommendations from the Vertex AI, where it also gives a disclaimer for that it's AI generated data. It gives all the CWEs, the best practice recommendation. Behind the custom SDK connector, the Fivetran connector, which I've developed, which I've named as OWASP API vulnerabilities. This connector code actually goes to the NVD API and then gets the data. This is how it is done over here. It queries the data and then pushes it to BigQuery. So in terms of when it is deployed, it looks like this. I had just synced it. If you see the timestamp 7:26:52, it has just over there. Uh, and this is the data that's just a sync over there. Now the RAG application itself, the code is here where it actually queries BigQuery and then calls the Vertex AI with the context, the RAG context of the results that it is obtained, and then how this is how the RAG actually then gives us back the results here.